What is John 1 and 1?
Stay close, you take each other.
What is John 1 and 1?
Yeah.
We learn about baptism. We learn about Christmas. We learn about Easter. In those 12 months, what is John 1 and 1? Genesis 1 and 1 and John 1 and 1. What is it?
Nobody's member?
Okay, Genesis 1 and 1. Say the same thing. What is John 1 and 1? 1. John chapter 1 verse 1. John. Alright. No, don't move your phone. No phone. Come on, guys.
You mean, sit down in front of the stage.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. So that is so easy. Okay, what is 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 5 and 7? All right, kids. What is 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 5 and 7? Yes, you guys know. Bukit Puranya. Petro turun kopa trong pram Bukit apa? His divine power. Who remember? His divine power has given us everything divine from love. This is why even is nothing. This is why heavy, like we know chip and mom crema God crema in unpayan. Kemudian unpayan, kepelawan aknan member pian seroy nyon pian han rabon rakum. But sit at home, hopefully New Year. Let ngồi ăn con hay các kít địa cô trong tây Sunday này ăn pian các kít địa. Can you guys have me pass candy?
Stay close,
This Bible, number 2 ngày hopefully next year. Bây giờ này các kid này number 2 ngày Natalie, this is very easy Bible, so hopefully next year we learn together, okay? Ashley, this is, I'm not going to rap, okay? I want you guys to know that this is Bible, God's Word. You're going to find treasure in it. If you find a treasure, let me know. There will be a reward, okay? Jimmy? Samuel, this is very easy Bible, okay? Very easy. It's kid standard, but you have to read it. Kathy, I hope you find treasure on this one, okay? Is Samuel here? No, not Samuel. Andy? Andy, get Emma. Can you get this, Dempsey? Cụm ăn ya cái encourage bây giờ là buông cười quizzes they know cũng ngay tâm nhở. I should eat all the chocolate. So yeah, thank you. Kebaikan term lah, dan kalau sama anak sa rừng tây cướp ok, chính là anak sa cướp. Nama ya, ai chỉ con cái vấn đề ya. Yeah, so hopefully next year we rang na padungan del stay del. Can we what you guys say to your parents?
That means when you